Located just north of Bonaparte, Iowa, this thoughtfully designed one-bedroom, one-bath home offers efficient, low-maintenance living with a peaceful rural setting. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence, a weekend getaway, or a turnkey hunting cabin, this property checks all of the boxes. Inside, you will find a spacious, open-concept living room and kitchen, perfect for hosting or simply relaxing in comfort. This home is equipped with an energy-efficient mini-split unit for heating and cooling, and additional LP wall heater for cozy winter nights. Outside, the 3-acre parcel offers endless potential. Whether you dream of expanding the home, adding a shop, or just enjoying the space as is, it's ready for your vision. The current owner has already installed a small wildlife food plot and included an elevated blind, making it an excellent option for the outdoor enthusiast and hunters. Located just minutes from Keosauqua, Iowa, and nestled in the heart of Van Buren County, this property delivers peace, privacy, and plenty of possibilities. Don't miss your chance to own this well-outfitted rural retreat. Feel free to contact me, David Little with Land Guys LLC, at 660-341-4156 to set up your private showing of this beautiful property.